All right, so here's the little X-Wind, 3-in-1 air, ground, water, aircraft. We're going to open this up and see what all we get. All right, so here's, looks like the battery. Very cool. You're going to get your user manual, a second battery, very nice. Your toolkit, spare props, charger, and a little pry tool for replacing the propellers. And the propellers are labeled A and B, so you know which one goes where. Here's your little remote control. And here is the X-Wind itself. Now you can see that your battery will just clip in right here in the top. You have 2 vertical and 2 horizontals. Now this would be the water mode, or like a little airboat or hovercraft. And then it should pop off of here. You got a little button in the back. Push the button in, remove this, give these a twist, and that would be the air mode or the drone mode. So very, very cool. I think what we need to do is we're going to charge it up and we're going to give it a test, of course. And if you look inside here, you can see like B, and then there's a B on the actual shroud itself. So you know B propellers go here. You have an A in here, so A propellers go here. That's very nice. And this is a very rigid foam. It's not styrofoam. It's more of a rubberized styrofoam. It's not your typical flaky. It's a little more rigid and very nice. Feels quite durable. So let's go ahead, let's charge it up and play with this thing. All right, so here's the remote control. It flies just like a regular drone, up and down, right, left, forward, back, and your rotation left and right. This button is to set your modes. Red is air, blue is ground, and purple is for water. This mode right here selects your speed, and this one is an auto rotation. You can hit it and it'll do a circle all on its own. And you can also do flips with the drone as well. But what we're going to do is first we're going to fly it, then we're going to drive it on the ground, and then we're going to go throw it in the pool. So let's do that. Okay, before you take off, you need to pull your joysticks down and to the outside, and that's going to calibrate your compass. You should do it on a smooth, flat surface. There you go. Now we're calibrated. We're ready for takeoff. Let's go ahead and see how this little guy flies. It's a very windy day, but I'm going to do my best. Let's try to up the mode. We're going to go to speed 3 just because it's windy. It's so windy, but it's doing good. It's handling the wind a little bit. Not a bad little flyer. Be great for learning how to fly your first drone. And I shut it off. Okay, all right, so we did the flying test. It flies pretty good. It's very windy, like I said today. It'll be much better on a calmer day, and it'll be great to learn how to fly. But now we're going to switch it to ground mode. All right, so to convert this to ground mode and water mode, you take your drone and you flip your little propellers forward in the back, and then you just lock it onto the styrofoam block, just like that. And now we're ready for some ground adventures. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch our mode. We're going to go to the blue, meaning that it is now ready. We're going to push our battery down. Okay, now we have it in ground mode. We're ready to go for a little adventure. Now it does okay in the street. The street's kind of rough for it. You can see it hopping a little bit. You can't take it in grass, but if you get on the smooth concrete, it really will pick up quite a bit more speed. And no reverse. Okay, so we did the air test, we did the ground test. Now we're going to do the water test. We're going to switch this to the purple mode and let's see how it does. So as you can see, it's a fun little toy. You can fly it in the air, you can cruise on the ground in hovercraft mode, and you can throw it in the pool and use it as a boat. It's also going to help you learn how to fly drones if you have an interest in those. Overall, just a very fun summer toy. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.